Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears, and in today's video I have with me the 2021 Hyundai Alcazar। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हो, Hyundai की Alcazar क्रेटा पे बेस की गई एक 6 and 7 सीटर SUV है। चलिए देखते हैं इस वीडियो में क्या है ऐसा खास इस Hyundai Alcazar SUV में। Is this spacious? Is the performance acceptable? And is this a real 6 and 7 सीटर SUV to rival the likes of the Tata Safari? इंडियन कार मार्केट में कस्टमर्स को 6 सीटर और 7 सीटर SUVs बहुत पसंद है। This Hyundai Alcazar SUV when launched, it will rival the likes of the MG Hector Plus and the Tata Safari. अभी हमें ये तो पता ही है that this car is going to be more expensive than the Hyundai Creta, but it is not going to be as expensive as the Hyundai Tucson, so it will definitely find more car buyers. Alcazar के बॉडी शेल को मजबूत बनाया गया है by making extensive use of advanced high strength steel and high strength steel. Hyundai claims that they have worked heavily on this bigger body structure of the Alcazar to make it crash worthy here in India. But there is no denying this fact that the Hyundai Alcazar does look a lot like the Creta from some angles. बट द मोस्ट डिफाइनिंग एलिमेंट ऑफ द Alcazar, जो इस गाड़ी का सबसे बड़ा चेंज है कंपेयर टू द क्रेटा, इज द व्हील बेस विच इज 2760 मिलीमीटर्स। इसकी वजह से ये गाड़ी क्रेटा के मुकाबले 150 मिलीमीटर से ज्यादा लंबी है इन द व्हील बेस सेक्शन, एंड दिस व्हील बेस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट इन इट्स क्लास, इवन लॉन्गर देन द टाटा सफारी। कुछ कस्टमर्स इस गाड़ी को एक्सेल साइज्ड क्रेटा या क्रेटा लॉन्ग व्हील बेस के हिसाब से भी खरीद सकते हैं, एंड दे विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ रूम इन द सेकेंड रो स्पेशली। From the side profile, you will notice that there are familiar cuts and crease lines on the Alcazar as the Hyundai Creta, but it is a much bigger car, and the rear profile of this Alcazar has been completely reprofiled to give it a distinct look. इस गाड़ी को सामने से जब आप देख लोगे, you are going to get an all new grille which is much wider than the Creta. बॉनेट प्रोफाइल ओवरऑल रिमेन्स द सेम, लेकिन जो बम्पर्स हैं उन्हें कंप्लीटली रीप्रोफाइल किया गया है टू गिव दिस Alcazar अ डिस्टिंक्ट लुक। द बम्पर्स इवन एट द बैक हैव बीन कंप्लीटली रीडिजाइंड। इस कैमोफ्लेज्ड गाड़ी पे आपको ज्यादा बॉडी क्लैडिंग नजर नहीं आ रही है, बट लेट मी टेल यू देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ black plastic cladding all around this Alcazar to give it that distinct SUV look, and there is also a generous side step for you to get in and out of this SUV. Compared to the Creta, Alcazar के साथ आपको नए हेडलैम्प्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, but this full LED unit does have a few extra LED DRL elements which will make it look more stylish, and also the front fog lamp design has been completely reprofiled with some chrome accents. Doing justice to the overall design are going to be the 18-inch diamond cut dual tone alloy wheels. गाड़ी के पीछे के हिस्से में आपको LED tail lamps मिलने वाले हैं, and there is going to be an Alcazar branding on the tailgate. When you look at it from behind, you will not at all confuse it to be a Hyundai Creta, और side profile पे भी आप notice कर लोगे that there is a big rear quarter glass, so this does highlight that this is a much bigger SUV. But then let's wait for the official launch. Let's wait for us to get this car completely uncamouflaged so that we can show you all the details in detail and share with you how different this Alcazar is compared to the Hyundai Creta. अब चलिए इस Hyundai Alcazar के इंजन डिटेल्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। The brand does believe that there is enough demand for petrol and diesel both engine options here in India. So the brand is offering you a 2-liter 4-cylinder 159 PS petrol engine along with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder 115 PS diesel engine. दोनों ही इंजन ऑप्शंस के साथ आपको एक 6-स्पीड मैनुअल या एक 6-स्पीड ऑटोमेटिक गियरबॉक्स ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा। If you want some extra information about the diesel engine, feel free to pause this video and read all that is on your screen right now. And if you want more information about the petrol motor, check it out. This is it. Pause the screen, read it, and understand what this motor has to offer to you. And of course, Hyundai did share some more information about both their gearbox options on this Alcazar SUV. Hyundai does put in a lot of effort in the NVH package of all their cars, and I will talk about this in just a few moments from now. The Alcazar is a much bigger car compared to the Creta, but the brand has worked hard to make it feel a lot car-like and also to give it that typical SUV ride quality, and I think people will like it. So at the preview of this Hyundai Alcazar, I got to drive their 2-liter petrol engine option of this Alcazar, and let me tell you that it is super duper refined, just as good as every other Hyundai engine. It does not make any sound that can be heard inside the cabin, not unless you really rev it hard. And then thanks to the light feeling steering wheel and very short and precise gear throws, this car is going to be very easy for you to drive even inside the city, even though it is a much bigger car. In my short driving experience, what I focused upon was the drivability at low speeds, and this petrol motor had enough torque to amble around at city speeds. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप इस गाड़ी का पेट्रोल मोटर खरीद लेते हो, you are going to be revving it out all the time. You can stay in a gear, hold on to that gear inside the city and still drive effortlessly. And to your surprise, this Alcazar is going to be a sub 10 second car. मतलब ये गाड़ी 0 to 100 की sprint 10 सेकंड के अंदर अचीव कर पाएगी. But even with that, all the 159 PS of power is delivered in a nice and linear fashion. Ride quality is nice and cushiony, and you will like how it soaks up the broken Indian terrain. But we will talk more about the ride quality when we get to drive this car for a longer period of time. But let me clear the air for you if at all you are worried. इस गाड़ी का जो body roll है वो काफी well controlled था. I did try a few emergency maneuvers and this car was easy to bring back to your desired line so that you feel confident from behind the steering wheel. To put the anchors down, इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको all 4 disc brakes भी दिए जाएंगे. Now let's talk a little bit about the interiors of this Hyundai Alcazar. Of course, you all know by now that we cannot show you the interiors because there is an embargo. लेकिन इस गाड़ी का व्हील बेस 150 मिलीमीटर से बढ़ने की वजह से इस गाड़ी के कैबिन में genuinely काफ़ी अच्छी जगह है. मेरी हाइट है 5 feet 8 inches and me behind my own driving seat position in the second row, I was very comfortable. There was a lot of leg room that was available. अगर मैं इस सीट को एडजस्ट कर देता हूँ at a reasonable level, me seated in the third row behind my height as a driver and as a second row passenger, I was comfortable. But that would be comfortable only for a short drive. पीछे के जो सीट्स हैं, the third row seats, they are going to be best suited for kids or for adults only for short journeys. The biggest highlight of the Alcazar is going to be the 6-seater captain seat variant, which is going to offer a lot of comfort. लेकिन अगर आप चाहो तो second row में bench seat option भी खरीद सकते हो, and the second row is going to have a tumble fold option for you to access the third row of this Alcazar. थर्ड रो सीट्स में अंदर बाहर मूव करने के लिए आपको एक ग्रैब हैंडल भी दिया गया है, एंड द सीट बैक ऑफ द थर्ड रो कैन ऑल्सो बी रिक्लाइंड फॉर कंफर्ट. It's a Hyundai, so it is going to be loaded with features, and of course the Alcazar is also going to get ventilated seats along with optimized AC performance. स्टोरेज के लिए भी Hyundai ने काफी ध्यान दिया है that you have enough space for your knickknacks. And the boot space, by the way, with all 3 rows of seats up, is going to be much bigger than the Tata Safari. Very quickly then, here are the highlights of this upcoming all-new Hyundai Alcazar for the Indian market. So guys, comments में हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा what do you think about the Alcazar and what is the pricing that you are expecting from this 6 and 7 seater from Hyundai. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel and press that bell icon.